Holy moly.
They used to call it a hurricane.
Hurricane?
Can you think of hurricane?
Huh. That's cool.
Is it recorded?
Yeah. What my parents and I did, we did the version where you do it yourself, only I got to stay in the car.
Yeah.
So they like, I got out of the boat, I got this. This is what I got. I was like, oh my god. Whoa, it gets so dark like a hurricane. Look how dark that is. Wow. It's kind of beautiful. It is beautiful. No, that's the physical version.
Oh, that's good stuff.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! It's like Attack of the Clowns.
Oh god.
Oh no. Oh my god, that's so cool. That is so sick.